Okay.
What's that? What is that?
Is that your toy, huh?
What is
Get
it?
it open.
Carrot. What is it? Carrot.
Is that your toy, huh? Get it open.
Hurry up. What's in there?
Get it open.
Hurry
Oh
up.
my goodness.
Hurry up.
What is that?
What is it?
What is that, huh?
What is it? Huh?
Oh. Whoa, what is that,
What is it? What
huh?
do you got there? Boy, you make me work for it.
What you got? Come on, you're almost there. You got your ball? What, you gonna take it on her bed?
Huh? Can I take it to bed with you?
You got it, Tara? Got it? You got it open? She's got it open now. Come on.
You're really working for that.
Yeah, Mommy made it real difficult for you to open.
Up.
Oh, you got it?
Got it?
Huh? Oh, let's
go
see.
show Mommy. Go
Let's
show
see.
Mommy.
Oh, you got your new ball, huh? Oh my goodness. Good girl. You played for your new ball, huh? Oh my goodness. Okay, you're gonna play with the wrapping paper, huh? Huh? Get it, Tara. Get that ball. Get that ball. Get that ball. Come on, make it squeak. Make it squeak.